Hello all. In this video, we shall try to understand two definitions. The first one is fan in, the second one is fan out. Before explaining you people or before telling you the definition, I just want you people to concentrate towards this diagram. What does this diagram tell you? Is we have some inputs given to the logic gate. Logic gate is nothing but a digital electronic circuit. By the time you people must have to understand, you people must have understood that if I speak about digital electronic circuit, most of the times the digital electronic circuit consists of logic gates. These logic gates are made up of different logic families, and we are discussing the IC logic families. Logic gates are made up of IC. Logic gates are nothing but ICs only, wherein these ICs can be made up of any of the given logic families. For example, TTL, ECL, CMOS, etc., etc., and etc. Okay. So, whenever I say logic gate, it is definitely means that it is a digital electronic circuit. So, when we come down to understand the definitions of fan in and fan out, we speak in terms of logic gate only. So, fan in is the number of inputs that a gate can handle, a logic gate can handle, is what we call it as fan in. Very simple definition, right? There are number of inputs that can be handled by a logic gate is what we call it as fan in. Then, what do you mean by fan out? Fan out is the number of outputs or number of gates further driven by the output of the given logic gate. Driven by the output of the, this is your output of the given logic gate drives some number of logic gates. How many number of logic gates are being driven by the output of the first logic gate is what we call it as fan out. Okay, I hope you people understood the concept. Now we shall go to the definition of them. So fan in, what he says in fan in definition, the number of inputs that a logic gate, here gate means logic gate, can handle is called as fan in. I repeat, fan in. The number of inputs that a gate can handle is what we call it as fan in. And we move on to fan out. Okay, fan out is nothing but the number of gates driven by the output of the logic gate is what we call it as fan out. Okay, and this is what you can clearly understand by using this diagram. The number of inputs that can be handled by a logic gate is what we call it as fan in, and then the number of logic gates or the number of gates driven by the output of the first logic gate is what we call it as fan out. Okay, I hope you people understood the concept. If you do have any doubts, you people can definitely ask me, and you know that where to ask your doubts.